Hey everyone! Today we're taking a closer look at one of Honor's latest mid-range contenders, the Honor 600 Lite, a smartphone that on paper looks surprisingly powerful, especially considering its price point. We're talking about a sleek design, a massive 6520 mAh battery, a 108 megapixel camera, and a smooth 120 Hz AMOLED display. But the big question is, does it actually deliver in real-world usage? In this video, we'll break down everything you need to know, from design, display, performance, camera, all the way to battery life, so you can decide if this is the right phone for you. Starting with the design, the Honor 600 Lite comes with a modern and minimalistic look. It features a glass front, aluminum frame, and glass back, giving it a premium feel despite being in the mid-range category. The phone is also relatively slim at 7.3 millimeters thickness and weighs around 180 grams, so it feels comfortable in hand and not too bulky. Another nice touch is the IP66 rating, meaning it's resistant to dust and strong water jets, something you don't always get at this price range. For SIM configuration, you get dual nano SIM or eSIM support, which adds flexibility depending on your needs. Overall, the design is clean, solid, and definitely feels more expensive than it actually is. Moving on to the display, this is one of the highlights of the Honor 600 Lite. You're getting a 6.6-inch AMOLED panel with 1200 by 2600 pixels, delivering sharp visuals and vibrant colors. It also supports a 120 Hz refresh rate, making scrolling and animations feel very smooth. Whether you're browsing social media or gaming, the experience feels fluid. Brightness is also impressive, reaching up to 2000 nits peak, which means it stays visible even under bright sunlight. And with support for 1 billion colors, the display looks rich and immersive, perfect for watching videos or just everyday use. Now let's talk about performance. The Honor 600 Lite is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7100 Elite chipset, built on a 6nm process. It features an octa-core CPU with the combination of Cortex-A78 and Cortex-A55 cores, paired with the Mali G610 MC2 GPU. In daily usage, this setup should handle multitasking, social media, and even moderate gaming quite smoothly. You also get options of 8 or 12 gigabytes of RAM, along with 256 gigabytes of internal storage, although there's no micro SD card slot. On the software side, it runs Android 16 with Magic OS 10, and Honor promises up to 6 major Android upgrades, which is a big plus for long-term usability. Let's move on to the camera. On the back, you get a 108 megapixel main camera with an f1.8 aperture, which should deliver detailed photos in good lighting conditions. There's also a 5 megapixel ultra-wide camera, useful for capturing wider scenes, although it's more of a secondary option. For video, it supports 1080p recording at 30 FPS, which is decent but not groundbreaking. On the front, you get a 16 megapixel selfie camera, also capable of 1080p video. Overall, the camera setup is solid for everyday photography, especially if you enjoy taking high-resolution shots. Now, one of the biggest highlights, the battery. The Honor 600 Lite packs a massive 6520 mAh battery, which is significantly larger than most phones in this category. This should easily last a full day or even more depending on your usage. For charging, it supports 45-watt wired charging along with 6-watt reverse wired charging, which lets you power other devices in a pinch. This makes it a great option for users who prioritize long battery life. For additional features, the phone comes with stereo speakers, which is great for media consumption. Connectivity is also solid, with support for 5G, Wi-Fi AO2.11a, b, g, n, AC, Bluetooth 6.0, NFC, and multiple satellite positioning systems. Security-wise, it includes an under-display fingerprint scanner, along with other standard sensors. So overall, the Honor 600 Lite brings a compelling package, especially with its large battery, high-resolution camera, smooth display, and long software support. It may not be the most powerful device in its class, but it balances performance, design, and features quite well. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech content. See you in the next video.